Good afternoon, students. How are you all? I hope beta or you all are well. So after a 1 month gap, we are again together with our next chapter of science. That is lesson number 7, physical and chemical changes. Okay, beta. As you know, today the date is 1st July and the day is Thursday. And previously we have done up our lesson number 1, 2, 4, and 5. Now the next chapter is lesson number 7, that is physical and chemical changes. So let's start this chapter. What this chapter is about? Because this chapter is about the changes. What are changes? So changes means when any matter change its shape, size or color. Yeah, one state to another state it changes, that is called the change. And there are two types of changes, that are physical and the chemical changes. So what is physical and chemical change? Okay, so physical change is the change that occur only the physical shape, size and color, and chemical when the interior composition of any substance totally change. Okay, now let's begin from these pictures that are given to you. What they say that mark the change that you think are reversible as R, and those that are irreversible as IR. Means the changes that are reversible, in which we get the first thing back. Okay, we get the first thing back, that are called the reversible. And the changes in which we not get the first thing back, फर्स्ट चीज हमें वापस नहीं मिली, दैट इज इरिवर्सिबल चेंज. For that we will write IAR. Okay, now first example is there, dove changes into chapati. This dove that change into chapati. So think about it. Yeah, if we get dove back from chapati, we get the dove back from chapati, no na. So it is IR, means irreversible change. Now the second picture is milk turning into curd. That milk change into curd. Are we get the curd from milk? Yes na, we get curd from the milk. But are we get the milk from curd? क्या हमें मिल्क वापस मिलेगा कर्ड से? नो ना. सो दैट इज द इरिवर्सिबल चेंज. नेक्स्ट इज clothing changes into a dress. We use a cloth to make a dress. So are we get the cloth back from dress? The dress that is made from a cloth, but we not get the cloth back from the dress, that is IR, an irreversible change. Next is ice changes into water. Ice change into water. We get the water back from ice, yes, by melting it. If we keep the ice outside, then it turns into water, so it is the reversible change. And the last example is grains changing into flour. We get flour from the grains, then we get the grain back from flour? No na. So that is the irreversible change. So I think that from these examples the reversible and irreversible word is clear to you. In reversible, the thing that we use is known as the reactant, and the next thing that form is called the product. If we get back the reactant back from the product, it is called reversible change. But if we not get reactant back from the product, it is called irreversible change. So now start the paragraph. In the previous class you have studied about various types of changes that take place around us. Growth in plants, okay, flowering, season change, change in weather, etc. are all natural changes. Okay? These are the changes that occur in our nature. Changes like cooking, cutting fruits, shaping cut fruits, etc. are man-made changes. Okay? Those are done by the man. So you have also studied that some changes are reversible, whereas some are irreversible change. Now in this chapter we read about the physical and the chemical change. Now the next topic of this 7th class is physical and the chemical change. So what is physical change? The question arises, what is physical change and how can you tell that a change has taken place? How this change will take place? So first thing is, see that picture. The person is crushing a can. The person is crushing a can. But after crushing the can remains the can. No new substance is formed. No new substance is formed. Can remains the can. So it is the physical change. Second picture, the ice is melting. Ice is melting. Ice is made from water. Okay, and liquid form is also the water. So these both things are same. Ice and water are the same. Ice is the solid form of water and water is the liquid form. So there is also the only physical change. When a glass break, when a glass break, okay, any window pane is break, glass remain the glass, no new substance is formed. Here glass remain the glass but no new substance is formed, so that is the physical change. Now we come back to previous page. Okay, in this page, in that picture I told you that clothing changes into a dress. We use the cloth for making the dress. We get the cloth back from dress? Yes, because dress is a type of cloth. Okay, but this cloth is also we get back from this dress, so it is also the physical change. Why? Because no new substance change, the physical appearance, the texture, the color is remain the same, so it is the physical change, so it is the reversible change, it is not the irreversible change. Okay, now let's see. The change can take place in terms of shape, size, volume, mass, color, texture, state, chemical nature of substance, or a combination of any of these. What they want to say that if the change is only in the shape, the can shape is like this one. Now when the person crush it, its shape changes, its size also changes. Volume, what mean by volume? The water is in the glass, the water is in the bowl, the volume is the same but water is the water. Okay, mass उसका weight हो गया. Color, only the color is changed. Okay, texture, how it is we feel to touch it, कैसे touch होगा तो वो कैसा feel होगा, उसकी state क्या है, solid, liquid या फिर उसका क्या है, gaseous form है. Okay, chemical nature of the substance और एक combination any of these, इनमें से कोई भी अगर change होता है, that is the physical change. Chemical नेचर ऑफ सब्सटेंस भी अगर चेंज होगा, दैट इज द फिजिकल चेंज. तो फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज ऑफ ए सब्सटेंस इंक्लूड, फिजिकल प्रॉपर्टीज इंक्लूड शेप, स्टेट, size, mass, volume, texture and color. In physical change, there is a change in the physical properties of a substance. Only the physical properties change, only shape may be changed, state may be changed, size may be changed, mass, volume, these changes only occur. No new substance is formed. Remember that no new substance will form. Okay, so for example, when a cube of ice melts into water, there is change in the state. Only the state change, means ice is the solid form and water is the liquid form. The only state change. This is the physical change. This is the physical change. Hence, physical change are defined as, now this is the definition, change in which there is change only in the physical properties of the substance. The changes in which only physical properties, and physical properties are shape, size, color, texture, mass. These are the physical properties. Okay. In physical change, no new substance are formed. That is also I told you, no new substance is formed. Okay. When we crush the can remain the can. When we tear the paper, paper remain the paper. When we cut the cloth remain the cloth, but no new substance is formed. Okay, so these are the physical changes. Now there are some examples and you have to tell them कि which physical property it changes. Okay, first example they have given, cutting an apple into two pieces. We cut the apple in two pieces, so change in shape and size, only shape and size is changed but apple remains the apple. Tearing a paper, when we tear the paper, also the change in the shape and the size, so it is the physical change. Making a cup with clay dough, making a cup with clay dough, okay, clay we use to make the cup, so only there is change in the shape and the size also. Crushing a plastic bottle, you take a plastic bottle and crush it with your hands, then what happen, only the change in the shape and the size. Freezing the water, when you freeze the water, water changes into ice, so what happened, the state is changed. Here the state is changed, water is liquid form, now it become ice, so it is change in the state, liquid become the solid. Drying of cloth, in drying of cloth water evaporates, water evaporates and clothes remain the clothes, no new substance is formed. So here what's the change, here also there is the change in the texture and the state. Okay, churning buttermilk. ठीक है, churning of buttermilk. What mean by churning of buttermilk means when we make the butter from the curd, so that is also the physical change. Making a dress, for making a dress we use the cloth, we only cut the cloth. When we cut the cloth, there is only change in the shape and the size. So see, these all are the physical changes. ठीक है, in the above table write what changes are taking place in physical property of a substance. Also identify the changes are reversible. ठीक है, so these all changes are reversible changes. I hope beta this topic is clear to you. If you have any doubt regarding this topic, you are free to ask. You may call me and you may WhatsApp message can be sent by you. Thank you.